press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. As you all know that smoky eye never goes out of trend, but basic is boring. So for today's video, I decided to create smoky eye with a twist of purple on the inner corner. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. For today's video guys, I absolutely love this look. It's stunning and easy to do. Do try this out and let me know your views about it in the comment section below. And since you love us and our content so much, you can join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is down in the description box. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.